sun is setting. And what are you so excited about?
It is time
For what?
for Hanukkah.
How are you?
Get the candles.
Let's light the candles. How are you feeling?
Happy. It's
What else are we going to do tonight?
It's Happy Hanukkah. We say around you, it's Happy Hanukkah.
That's around here we say Happy Hanukkah.
Around you, it's Happy Hanukkah.
Is that why you're hopping?
Yeah.
What else are we going to do after we light the candles? Tell me. Look at me and tell me. What are we going to do?
Present now.
Open a present? What else? What are we going to do after that?
We're gonna open another present.
And then what?
Then we're gonna eat Yorkies.
Oh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Happy Hanukkah, everyone.